welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to be dyeing our eyebrows because I was born with no eyebrows. I'm not going to show you a picture of what I used to look like because my eyebrows were literally invisible and I look like this. To stop my eyebrows from going invisible, I have to tint them. So you're going to be watching me tint my eyebrows with the MYLEE eyebrow and lash tint. Honestly, get this, it's going to save you so much money. It costs like £7 to get your eyebrows tinted every time you go, and you have to go every 2 weeks. Add that up over a year, that's like hundreds of pounds you're spending when you can buy this for like £10, I reckon it was, and you can do them for like 2 years straight. This stuff never runs out. When you order this, by the way, it comes as like a kit, so you get this cute little pad. You get the activator. You get this little brush as well to apply it with. I kind of broke mine. Ew. So you're just gonna have to ignore that. It still works. Step number 1. You don't need a lot because a lot goes a long way, so you just squeeze a little bit. You take your activator. 1, 2, 3, 4. Give it a good mix, and then it goes like all pasty, and that's how you know it's ready. It's kind of got a really weird consistency. You get a load of it on your brush. Brush up my brow hairs. You just do light strokes with the brush and just follow the shape of your eyebrow. If you don't trust yourself to do this, I'd put Vaseline above and underneath your eyebrow to stop it from staining your skin, but I've done this enough times now. I just go in freehand. You just coat your brows. Why is my hand shaking? And then you coat the front of your eyebrow. Oh, I think I forgot to tell you what colour this is. It doesn't really say on it. Basically, depending on how long you leave it on, the darker it's going to look. Because this is also an eyelash tint. If you leave it on long enough, it will go black. So I wouldn't leave this on too long because you'll get black eyebrows, and sis, we don't want black eyebrows. I'm going to do the other brow and try and get them the same. Oh my god, look how quickly it changes colour. It's literally gone black already. But no fear, my friends, they will look fantastic at the end. Then just fill in the front part of your eyebrow. Let your eyebrows set, let your eyebrows set. You literally don't need to leave them on for long at all, maybe like up to 5 minutes depending on how dark you want them to be. If this is your first time tinting your eyebrows and your eyebrows are really light, I'd recommend leaving on for the maximum of about 1 minute. If they are still too light, you can go in again and do a second round because there's loads left, as you can see. But I've done this quite a lot of times and I like my eyebrows to be darker rather than lighter because it makes the tint last longer. I'm going to leave this on for about 3 minutes. I'm going to take a cotton pad, wet the cotton pad and wipe these off my face. Are you guys ready to do my brows? Oh, look how good they are. Now when I do my makeup, it's going to take me like 2 seconds to fill in my eyebrows. Now I'm going to get my makeup and I'm going to show you what it looks like when I filled them in so you can see what it looks like properly. So to fill in my brow, I'm going to use Presenting my brow pencil in the shade 3.5. Then I'm just going to take the brush on the other side, give him a quick brush through. And these are my finished brows. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope that I saved you money. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a like Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video, guys. Goodbye.